As you go to sleep at night, practice the follow technique. Repeat the word wealth quietly, easily, and feelingly. Do is over and over again, just like a lullaby. Lull yourself to sleep with the one word wealth. You should be amazed at the result. Wealth should flow to you in avalanches of abundance. This is another example of the magic power of your subconscious mind. Serve yourself with the power of your subconscious mind. Decide to be wealthy the easy way with the infallible aid of your subconscious mind. Trying to accumulate wealth by the sweat of your brow and hard labor is one way to become the richest man in the graveyard. You do not have no strive or slave heart. Wealth is subconscious conviction built into your mentality. The idea of wealth. The trouble with the most people is that they have no invisible means of support. Repeat word wealth to yourself slowly and quietly for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes prior to sleep, and your subconscious mind will bring wealth to pass in your experience. The feeling of your wealth produce wealth. Keep this in mind and all time. Your conscious and subconscious mind must agree. Your subconscious accept what do really feel to be true. The dominant idea is always accepted by your subconscious mind. The dominant idea should be wealth, not poverty. You can overcome any mental conflict regarding when by affirming requesting frequently. You can overcome any mental conflict regarding wealth by affirming frequently. By the day and by night I am being prosper in all of my interests. Increase yourself by repeating this statement over and over again. My sales are improving every day. I am advancing, progressing, and getting well there every day. Stop reading blank check such as there is not enough to go around, or there is a shortage. Act such a statement magnify and multiply of your loss. Deposit thoughts of prosperity, wealth, and success in your subconscious mind, and the latter will give you compound interest. What you consciously affirm, you must not mentally deny a few moments later. This will neutralize the good you have affirmed. Your true source of wealth consists of the idea in your mind. You can have an idea worth millions and dollars. Your subconscious mind will give you the idea you see. Envy and jealousy are stumbling block to the flow of your wealth. Rejoice the prosperity of other. The block the wealth is in your own mind. Destroy that block now by getting on good mental terms with everyone.